Hello everyone, today we will show you how to configure the design and general settings of your review request email in TrustSync. Let's see how it works. First, open the TrustSync app. Navigate to the email configurations option in the left side panel. Here you will find all the settings. Let's see how to design review request emails first. Under Email Design tab, you can customize the emails from subject, body content, etc. From the Design dropdown, select a design style for the rating, like Google Review stars, and more. Also, change the lowest and highest rating text if needed. You can upload a logo that will appear at the top of the emails. Then, adjust the logo height. Personalize the email background color, plus modify the top border color as you want. Click on the Save Changes button once you are done. You can also send a test email to your selected email address. Let's see what the customers will see in our review request email. As you can see, the email appears according to our selected design settings. Back to TrustSync's email configurations option, we will head over to the Email Settings tab. Here you can deactivate email sending and past orders. From the dropdown, you can also set the number of days after which the email will be sent. In the dropdown on the right, select the condition for this action from 4 options. Next, select the option to ask or not ask again for repeat orders. Also, enable sending a second email asking for a review. Set the number of days and the condition for the action from the dropdowns. Put check marks to enable or disable the options to send email for online store orders only or at a specific time, which you can set from the dropdown. Then, you get the option to verify your domain and set it as the sender address. Input the email address to receive the occasional replies customers might send to the review request emails. Furthermore, enter the email addresses that you want to blacklist. Hit the Save Changes button when you are finished. This is how simply you can customize the visual appearance and general settings of your review request email in the TrustSync app. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All the best to your business.